Hi everybody, in this final video I'm going to be showing you how the lessons work on Babbel. So if I want to start a lesson, I'm just going to show you one of them that I've already done so I can try and go through it a little quicker just to show you how it works. So I'll select this one, which is where do you live? And the way the lessons work, it reminds me of an actual lesson.
Di dove sei?
Sono di Cefalù.
Sei di Milano?
Lui è di Napoli.
So here it's introducing me to the English and Italian phrases, and it's reading them to me. On this next section, it provides me with a sentence in Italian, and I need to click the picture that it matches. So, di dove sei is where are you from?
Di dove sei?
Sono di Cefalù.
Sono di Cefalù.
Cefalù. Sei di Milano. Are you from Milan?
Sei di Milano?
And lui è di Napoli.
Lui è di Napoli.
Di Napoli. Okay, in these next slides, it's going to ask me to write the correct translation. So what I like here is that underneath, it gives you kind of the scrambled letters of each of the words. Okay, I can click on them or I can use my keyboard. If I have an incorrect letter, it's going to give me a red answer, okay? And then it's going to actually make me correct my work. So I have an extra space there. And if I do this again, it's still going to be wrong, and that's because these letters are mixed up. So it highlights the incorrect area for you, which is nice as well. Okay, if I can't,
Di dove sei?
if I can't figure out the proper solution, I can have it show me the solution. Okay, so that's nice. Just skipping ahead here.
Dove abiti?
It's going to do the same thing. So it's going to introduce me to some new
Abito
words.
a Trieste.
And then it's going to have me match the words. Okay, and then I'm going to be filling in the blanks again. Okay, this is something new, so I'm going to have to fill in the blanks here, and it explains some of the dialogue that's going on. So Vanessa takes the night train from Munich to Verona. She introduces herself to Thomas, who is sitting in the same compartment.
Piacere, Vanessa.
So, sono Thomas, piacere, di dove sei. So where are you from? I always spell that wrong.
Sono Thomas, piacere. Di dove sei?
And she would reply with, I am from Verona.
Sono di Verona. E tu?
And he would say he is from Monaco.
Sono di Monaco.
Okay, and then I also like this. So Munich is called Monaco de Bavaria in Italian. So that's kind of neat to know. So Munich is Monaco. And this says, oh, are you German? So I'm just going to continue to fill in the blanks. Okay, so it's kind of nice because it gives it some context and it allows you to work within that conversation and understand the dialogue. This is another feature that I like, so it gives you a bit of a lesson here. So to say where you're from, use the preposition di in front of the name of the city. To say where you live or where you currently are, use the preposition a in front of the name or city. So this is I am from Perugia. So I want to say that I am from there. So to say where I am from, I'm going to use the preposition di.
Sono di Perugia.
Okay, I live in, which means I'm currently there. I'm going to select a.
Abito a Firenze.
So I really like that feature because you get to practice filling in the blanks.
Roma.
Okay. This is another feature that I really like. So the forms
Tu
of
abiti.
abiter.
Lui, lei abita.
So habitar is to live, and it's a verb ending in are. So depending on the form, the ending is going to change. So this is me, this is you, and this is he, she, or they. Okay? So in order to use the I version, I'm going to drop the are and add an o and add an I here and add an a there. Okay, and this is going to have me just practice that. Okay, so I'll just use my
Io
keyboard
abito.
to fill in the blanks here. So that's how that works.
Io abito. Tu abiti.
Okay,
Lui, lei abita.
so here I'm going to either fill in whichever form of habitat should be there. So this is io, and it should be abito.
Io abito a Roma.
If I wasn't sure the answer, I could click help, and it gives me the words to unscramble again. So again, another great feature. Once you're finished, it basically goes through a review of the whole thing, and it will ask you to enter in all of the words here. So it's kind of nice that it builds, starting with just introducing you to the words. Then it kind of reminds me of a workbook, right? So you would learn the information, and then you get to practice your skills. So here again is another question when we would use a and d. And it won't let me fast forward. So I am from Rome.
Io sono di Roma.
Luca abita a Bologna.
Just going to finish this, and then I'm going to show you
Noi abitiamo a Rimini.
how the lessons end.
Tu sei di Venezia?
So once you're finished, it tells you your score. So I did 16 questions or exercises, and I got 14 out of 16. Then I can go back and correct my errors. And I really like this because it allows you to get that extra practice and fix the things that you maybe made mistakes on. So that's how the lessons work. All of them are formatted in the same way. And I find that it's nice that they're themed under a particular topic or conversation. And it starts off with the expressions given in English and Italian, and then you go from there and build on those learning those words and working them into actual meaningful exercises that would help you out if you ever wanted to actually use that in real life. So that's how the lessons work.